How to add best friend on Snapchats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add best friend on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add a best friend on Snapchat, the thing you're talking about here is quite simple. Snapchat basically has things such as best friends that will get added to your friends list. Now remember that best friends is something that you can't add yourself. It is something that Snapchat adds automatically to your best friends list when they realize that you have been exchanging snaps frequently with this person. So if there is both interaction from both parties and both sides, you have been exchanging snaps often, that's when Snapchat automatically adds them to your best friends list. Now there is definitely a feature on Snapchat Plus if you have the premium that if you long press on someone here, you can actually pin them as your #1 BFF. But this basically requires a Snapchat Plus, which I'm sure most of you are not going to get it at all. If you do think that's worth the price, you can get it. All I'm saying is the normal best friends list that you're talking about cannot be added through this. They have to be added automatically when Snapchat notices that you have been exchanging snaps frequently. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.